If your BYBIT balance looks frozen and you're wondering what's going on, don't worry, it's usually a simple fix. Here's what's likely happening and how to sort it out. Most of the time, your balance is frozen because you've either got an open position, like a spot, futures, or margin trade, or you've placed an order that hasn't been filled yet. When you place an order, BYBIT locks up the funds you're using for it. That's why it seems like your balance is stuck. So to unfreeze it, the first thing to do is check your active orders. Open the BYBIT app or site, go to your Orders or Positions tab, and look for anything still open. If you see an order that hasn't been filled, say, you're buying BTC with USDT, just cancel that order. Once it's cancelled, your USDT will show up again in your available balance. If you're still stuck, you can try using BYBIT's P2P section. Sometimes balances seem frozen because of issues with asset availability or verification, and using P2P to sell crypto directly can help you work around that. Before you panic, double-check that you don't have any trades still open. And after canceling everything, give it a few seconds. The balance usually updates automatically.